Air conditioner won't turn on. If your air conditioner won't turn on, there could be a few different issues at play. Here are a few potential causes and some steps you can take to troubleshoot the problem. Low refrigerant. If your air conditioner isn't cooling as well as it should be, or if it's not turning on at all, it could be due to a low refrigerant level. Refrigerant is the fluid that cools the air in the air conditioner, and if it's low, it can cause the system to malfunction. To check the refrigerant level, you'll need to have a professional service technician do it, as it requires specialized equipment. See link for full video in the description below.